Hello guys, welcome back to yet another vlog of Youngest Traveler Diaries. My name is Krish Upadhyay and in today's vlog, I'm here at the district of Palghar and a taluka in Palghar called Dahanu. And now inside Dahanu, there is a small village called Navapada where I'm at, and I am at its Jila Parishad's Shala, which means the Jila Parishad's school. So let's explore. As we stepped into the Zilla Parishad school, we were welcomed with warmth and tradition. A vibrant tika was gently placed on our foreheads, a symbol of respect and love. At the heart of the courtyard stood a serene idol of goddess Saraswati, the divine symbol of knowledge and wisdom, setting the tone for a truly soulful experience. In a small but meaningful gesture, we the students of Vibgya High came together to donate books to our new friends at the Zilla Parishad school. Watching their eager smiles as they held each book close reminded us how powerful and precious learning truly is. It wasn't just about giving books, it was about sharing a world of stories, dreams, and possibilities. The spirit of creativity filled the air as the students of the Zilla Parishad school taught us the beautiful traditional art of Warli painting. Each brushstroke carried history, culture, and joy. We dipped our brushes with care, trying our hand at this intricate tribal art. The experience brought to mind the touching climax of Tare Zameen Par, where every child becomes an artist in their own magical way. It wasn't just painting, it was expression, it was connection, it was pure joy. And then the music took over. The beats of local folk songs echoed through the school grounds, and we all joined in the dance. Hands clasped, feet moving in rhythm, laughter ringing in the air. It was a celebration of unity, culture, and happiness. In that moment, we weren't students from different schools. We were just one big family dancing together under the open sky. So guys, I will now be exploring the village a bit and talking to the locals of how they live their lifestyle. So let's go ahead.
In 10 minutes you have to come back. Yes, yes.
हे तुमचं किचन आहे. अच्छा, इकडे पण जेवण होते. तुम्ही लोक आंघोळी कुठे करता?
निकिता कल्पेश
निकिता कल्पेश
पारधी.
पारधी. तुम्हाला किती वर्ष झालं इकडे?
10-12 वर्ष झाली.
10-12 वर्ष. अख्खा दिवस मध्ये काय करता तुम्ही? म्हणजे घरच्याच काम होते की नंतर तुम्ही खेतीवाडी की कुठे जाते तुम्ही?
नाही, घरचंच असते.
घरातच होते. आणि तुमच्या घरीमध्ये म्हणजे
पाणी भरायचं
आणि सगळं
हाँ, पानी भांडी सर्व ते करायला.
दूर जाना पड़ता है या फिर नजीक में ही पानी
नल येतात ना.
नल येतात. आणि ती भाजी आणि सगळं सब्जी का घ्यायला कोण जाते? म्हणजे
ते आम्ही रविवारी तिकडे बाजार असतो ना, तेव्हा जातो.
अख्खा हफ्ता येईल.
हा, हप्त्याचा आणून ठेवतो.
So let's visit some more of the locals and have a view on their experience. So I'm going into a house of another local. So let's see how it's like.
तर आंटी, तुम्हाला किती वर्ष झालं हे घर मध्ये राहायला?
झाले बरीच वर्ष.
हा?
बरीच वर्ष झाली. बसा तुम्ही.
नाही चालेल आंटी.
हा, जा मध्ये.
आंटी हे तुमचं किचन आहे अख्खा?
किचन मध्ये तिकडे किचन आहे.
अच्छा.
गावामध्ये. वाडीला हात.
And this their kitchen is there.
Yes. So आंटी आपका नाम क्या है?
कल्पना दीपक कोरे.
और आंटी आप लाइक आप घर पे काम करते हैं या फिर बाहर भी जाते हैं?
घर पे उधर स्कूल में जाते हैं खाना बनाने के लिए.
तो ये जो
ये
जिला
स्कूल-
परिषद का स्कूल है
हाँ,
वहाँ
हाँ,
आप
हाँ,
खाना
आप लोग उधर आए हैं देख.
हाँ.
वो स्कूल में जाते हैं खाना बनाने के लिए.
वाओ. तो और आप कुछ और काम करते हो?
और दूसरा भी काम कर.
कौन सा?
मच्छी बेचती हूँ.
अरे वाह. तो
आप लोग खाते हैं ना मच्छी?
नहीं.
नहीं खाते.
वेजिटेरियन.
तू खाता है? हाँ, खाता है. वो खाता है.
तो आंटी आप कितने साल से रह रहे हो यहाँ?
हो गया 17-18 साल.
17-18 साल. और ये घर आपने ही बनाया?
हाँ,
कितने साल पहले बनाया था?
बहुत साल हुआ.
अरे वाह. तो थैंक यू सो मच आंटी आपका टाइम देने के लिए. और आप बहुत सच में मल्टीटास्कर हैं और आपका घर भी दिखाया. शुक्रिया.
शुक्रिया.
So as you can see guys, here the locals indulge in lots of works to support their financial condition, like working in the school as a labor, or as you call it in Marathi, sheti or shetkaris. There are a lot of occupations here. The auntie I just spoke to was selling fishes and also making food in the school here. Isn't that amazing? So we are now at one of the farms here. So let's explore the trail a bit. You get to see a variety of species here, and I by far have seen a tarmanin plant and also a chiku tree, which are both very unique things. So guys, I am right now here with Mr. Parimal Rao. He is the owner of the farm we are currently exploring. So, hello sir. So, sir, how long have you been doing this business?
8 to 10 years back.
8 to 10 years. Okay, so sir, आप like कौन से vegetations यहाँ उगाते हो?
अभी बैगन है, कैप्सिकम है, मिर्ची है, बॉटल गार्ड है,
हाँ, नाइस. और कितने एकर्स का फार्म है ये?
30 एकर्स का.
30 एकर्स. तो ये पूरा लैंड आपका ही है.
So guys, that's all from this vlog. If you liked it, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe and turn on the bell notifications to receive any new updates when I next upload. Till then, keep exploring.